There is only one presence and one power active within me and throughout the universe. God, the good, omnipotent.
Hello, and welcome to our podcast. This is Unity Church of Chatsworth. Our spiritual leader, Reverend John Washington, and I am Michelle Washington, RN, Pastoral Nurse.
May the words of my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord. Paraphrasing from the New Testament version of James chapter 5, verse 16. Confess your faults one to another, and pray for another, that you may be healed. The effectual, fervent prayer of a righteous person avails much.
Paraphrasing from The Revealing Word by Charles Fillmore, co-founder of Unity. The metaphysical meaning of prayer. Prayer, communion between God and an individual. Prayer synchronizes an individual's consciousness with the Christ mind. Prayer is more than supplication. It is an affirmation of truth that eternally exists, which comes into consciousness not by supplication, but by affirmation. It is necessary to pray believing that we have received, because God and good always exist in divine mind ideas, and we bring it into manifestation through prayer of faith.
From the 5 Unity Principles. Paraphrasing Unity Principle number 3. We are co-creators with God, creating our reality through thoughts held in mind. The monkey mind. Michelle?
The monkey mind is a Buddhist concept that describes a state of being restless or confused or unsettled and a lack of control over one's thoughts.
Signs of monkey mind include, Michelle?
Scattered thoughts, mental fatigue,
impatience, difficulty focusing on the present.
Now, in all seriousness, tools for combating monkey mind are focused breathing
and meditation
and prayer.
And so it is. Amen. It is not I, but the Christ within who does the work.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. Have a blessed week.
Our thoughts are